Currently, the government's shut down and there's headlines everywhere about tax credits, health insurance, whether or not you're gonna get coverage next year, premiums doubling, and I know a lot of people are confused. And what I wanna do today is add a little bit of clarity to the situation and also encourage you to work with an insurance agent for plan year 2026. To get started, the first thing I wanna talk about is what happened. Under the Biden administration, they increased the amount of money that you can earn and still qualify for a tax credit and helped Americans save a lot of money on their health insurance premium. What's happening now is these tax credits are expiring at the end of this year and we're going back to the 2016 to 2020 levels. To give you an idea, if you're a single person earning $62,000 or less in 2026, you'll still qualify for a tax credit. A married couple at $84,000 or less, and a family of four at under $128,000 will still qualify. These are just some rough estimates. I'll put the exact numbers on the screen, but I just want you to have an idea that I would assume that probably 75 to 80% of Americans are not going to be impacted by these premium tax cuts. So you don't have to worry, and I'm gonna encourage you to contact your agent to work on your plan for 2026. And the reason I think people should work with agents, or there's probably several reasons. Number one, a lot of people don't really know how to shop for insurance. And what they do is they'll buy a plan based on deductibles or some hot button topic for them, and they overbuy insurance. And when you give those premiums to the insurance companies, you don't get a refund at the end of the year and it's not credited to the next year. Another reason to work with an agent is the marketplace has made a lot of changes to combat illegal enrollments and fraud. And if the agent is not attached to your case or your application, when you have an issue throughout the year and you contact it, it's gonna take a lot more time to resolve that issue. And if that person is not your agent, they're basically not getting paid for doing this work. So what's the incentive in it for them to help you? The world is kind of changing where everything's being automated. And I think if you want quality service in the future, you're gonna have to build relationships the old-fashioned way and have someone manage some of these things for you, because they're looking at these items every day where you're looking at it once a year. So obviously they're gonna have a level of clarity and expertise that you don't have. If you've gotten any value from this video, I greatly appreciate it if you like it or share it with a friend. And I wanna let you know that I'm a Florida Blue agent here in Southwest Florida, and I'm a Medicare broker as well. So if you don't have an agent, if you don't have a plan or you're confused, feel free to give me a call at 239-628-3209. As you can imagine, it tends to be a very busy time of the year. So if you get the voicemail, leave a message and I promise I'll call you back. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.